The Bitcoin chart looks frightening. What is it going to do next? Is it going to go down? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Davinci. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. A little stiff. Actually, I have to admit that my muscles and everything is killing me. Yeah, like this is the jacket. Got this, custom made jacket with, I told you so. And yeah, it's going to be an interesting ride. Wondering, right? You're wondering, is Bitcoin going to collapse, right? Is it going to go all the way down to, well, I don't know. Let's take a look at the charts and find out. Because yeah, as you can see here, right, in this trade, Bitcoin, you can see it's creating lower highs, right? And there's not a lot of lower lows yet, but we've got two lower highs. Well, one lower high, actually. So one lower high, right? So once we break down, this level could indicate, if we break this level, could indicate further downside to go. It's really basically that simple. We can't break that level or we're going to see a further downside. Now, you might think, okay, well, should you just take profits and go? Well, we're in a bullish situation. So even if we were to come down, I think we should just add to our trade because you know what? Our liquidation price is extremely low. So it only makes sense to just add to the trade. All right. And so I'm going to see if I can add some money to this and add to the trade as we go down. Okay. Let's see here. Oops, I was looking at the wrong thing. But anyways, so if we break below 106.455, could be lights out for a little while, right? It doesn't mean that the bear market is here. It just means we're going to spend a lot of time below 106.500-ish area for some time before we actually break out again. That would suck. But anyways, I'm going to add some to more money to WEEX, WEEX.DavinciJ15.com, the exchange that, everyone can use, like not just, a select few with ID and that want to pay taxes and stuff like that and want to have the government down their throat, right? This is your exchange if you don't want the government to know you're doing what you're doing with crypto, and that's the way it should be, really. That's the way it should be. Right? But Bybit, they are a solid exchange, right? They lost $1.4 billion and they're still going. It's like nothing to them, right? So yeah, keep that in mind. Okay, let's take a look at the charts. And so we're saying a breakdown. Well, since the breakdown is clear, if you entered this trade, you still have to hold the trade, the stop loss down here because we could just peak down below the key level here. Let's see here. The key level is approximately, well, I think it's right here, right there. 106.5, 106.6 on this one. On this chart here, 106.5. Yeah, it's 106.5. Right, so we break down there, and it's we have to consolidate below this. So this channel could be broken. This upper channel could be broken to the downside. A little sucky, but hey, it is what it is. And how far can we go? Should we break down to that break down? Well, the worst case scenario, I guess, would be since we are in a bullish situation. We could break, if we take this AB equals CD, could break as low as the 105, which is not so bad. The best, I guess that would consider to be the best case scenario. Another scenario, right? That would be the best case scenario. Another scenario, of course, which is the worst case scenario, would be the 102. We would have to we'd have to hold the 102 level. We can't break, below the $100,600 level. You can see that is a no-go, right? If we break below that level, no, it's actually 109, 100,000 and 100,700. Yeah, that's the same thing. So, yeah, that would be a horrible situation for us to break below, because, wow, that would mean Bitcoin would break even further lower, and it could even break as low as the 92. So it is kind of scary, a scary situation. 92 could be the retest if we break below that. But that's the worst case scenario. Let's just hope, right, if we break, that we reverse, because this would be an AB equals CD, and that is a reversal pattern, right? Not a bullish pattern, bearish pattern, not a pattern that will result in a bearish situation, a bearish continuation. It would actually, if we bounce off of here, we can reverse up higher, which would be actually positive. Okay, looking at Solana. Solana, looks like if we break down, it's going to take everything is like setting up for, hey, you know what? We are set up here so that the clear line in the sand is right there. And if we break it, right, which is like, see here, 169.45. 169.45 is the clear line in the sand. If we break that, boom, it is over. Lights out for Solana. Looking at, look at that. Wow, Ethereum. Wow, that's crazy. Did not see that happening. Ethereum has broken higher, right? I guess, that's why I guess the trade looks a little bit higher. I was expecting a lot lower amount of money here. And yeah, look at that. We've got some more money from our Ethereum trade. Now, this interesting thing is Ethereum, right? This break above this high line, right, which is above the $2,700 level, indicates that if we could hold that, it's going a lot higher. Fast. Wow. Impressive. I did not see that coming. Everything is going down while this is going up. Wow. Well, later on, I think I'll definitely take a look at the what's it called? The Ethereum. Let's take a look at it right now. Why not? Why not? Since we're here, let's take a look at what Ethereum has to say when we price it in Bitcoin. Ooh, it's going back up. Breaking the downtrend. Ooh, wow. Let's see if we can close a weekly like that. That would be very positive for Ethereum priced against Bitcoin. It's finally reversing its death spiral out. Didn't look like it was going to break out, but there you go. Ethereum has done something incredible. It's kind of scary, the situation right now, for you guys who are going long. But if you hold your longs, if you did a 2x long at any point in time, not 2x leverage long, you're going to be okay. Trust me. It's not going to go. You might be a little bit scared, but add to your trade as it goes down slowly, right? Hopefully, if you have some more cash, you add that, and keep it at the 2-to-1, and then when we create a higher high, you can move the leverage up a lot to 3-to-1. All right. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.